The municipality of Pototan in the 3rd District of the province of Iloilo in Western Visayas or Region 6 was founded in 1874. It is composed of 50 barangays. The municipality of Pototan is politically subdivided into 50 barangays. Each barangay consists of poroks and some have sitios. The 50 barangays are the following: Barangay Abangay, Barangay Amamaros, Barangay Bagakay, Barangay Barasan, Barangay Batuan, Barangay Bongko, Barangay Kahagikikan, Barangay Kalyan, Barangay Kansilayan, Barangay Kasalsagan, Barangay Katuogan, Barangay Kawayan, Barangay Kulob, Barangay Danau, Barangay Dapitan, Barangay Dawis, Barangay Dungsol, Barangay Fondasyon, Barangay Ginakas, Barangay Gibuangan, Barangay Igang, Barangay Intalwan, Barangay Iwa Ilawod, Barangay Iwa Ilaya, Barangay Hamabalod, Barangay Hibyok, Barangay Layahan, Primitivo Ledesma Ward in the Poblacion, Lopez Haina Ward also in the Poblacion, Barangay Lumbo, Barangay Makatol, Barangay Malusgod, Barangay Naslo, Barangay Nabitasan, Barangay Naga, Barangay Nanga, Barangay Paho, Barangay Palanggia, Fernando Parcon Ward in the Poblacion, Barangay Pitugo, Barangay Pulutan, Barangay Purog, Barangay Rumbang, San Jose Ward, Barangay Sinwagan, Barangay Tuburan, Barangay Tumkon Ilaya, Barangay Tumkon Ilawod, Barangay Ubang, and Barangay Zarage. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.